Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video of Apple Topics, and in this video I'm going to be covering me fixing this very old and all broken iPhone 6. I think the battery and the screen are dead. I don't know if you can see there, the battery symbol is not, the iPhone's been charging for years now. So what I've got here is an iPhone 6 battery I had laying around, and another iPhone 6 screen that I had laying around. But I don't know if you can see, it does actually have a small crack. It's actually just the screen protector, and it is an original iPhone 6 screen. So let's check it out. Okay guys, so let's get right into the video. Because it's not turning on and I don't even know if the LCD is good in here, first of all, I'm going to be going ahead and changing the battery in it. So the first thing you want to do is take two screws down here, which I actually already took out. The second thing you want to do is get the blue thingy, the blue spudger, and the suction cup. Some suction cups might not stick to the glass because of all the cracks. By the way, it actually has a screen protector on it, which is cracked. And then here we have the actual iPhone screen. As you can see, pretty bad, right? It fell from a second floor. So yeah, let's go ahead and change the bit, because inside it's not the same bit. By the way, a piece of glass just flew away. That's why you actually want to put some scotch on your screen. So once I've done that, you're gonna open the screen up. You can't pull the display off yet. You have to disconnect, first of all, the battery by taking two screws out and then disconnecting the battery under this metal plate. After that, you need to take out 5 screws from there and disconnect the display cables, and then you can attach the display after changing the battery. To change the battery, you can take out the vibrator motor. You don't have to, but it's easier if you do. So you can pull the pull tabs. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll be back with a time lapse maybe, yeah. But what I'm gonna do right now is just use this part of the little spudger and take this battery out. Usually you need to pull 2 pull tabs from here, and then the battery would come out. But this iPhone didn't have any pull straps. Didn't have anything holding the battery in it, so that's a little suspicious. Let's just pop the battery in, the new original battery in, and let's test it out. I don't even know if that battery works. I'm not gonna screw it in even. Let's just try to turn it on. If it doesn't turn on, we can just try charging the battery. Let's wish for the luck. So I don't know if you can see right there, something's happening under there, but the LCD is completely cracked and messed up. I think it's booting up. Maybe we can wait. Let's try to put the charger in it. Yes, this is the 30-pin connector with the adapter. I'm using the other charger. Oh, I don't know if you can see in the bottom, you can see insert password. Oh, it's charging. So yeah, this screen is completely done. Doesn't even have a home button. I actually found the home button from the phone. Oh, you can see right there it has 5%. So yeah, the LCD is completely destroyed. Let's just turn this off. And I think I'm not gonna be able to turn it off actually. Yeah, we don't have a home button to force turn it off, so we're gonna have to you can see that's the LCD. Probably shouldn't be doing that, but what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to change the screen, and because we can't turn it off, we're gonna have to just disconnect the battery. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so after doing that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take 5 screws out of there, and then we can take out that plate and disconnect the display and connect the new one in. Okay guys, so as you can see, we have unscrewed it and we didn't even need our tweezers because it actually pulled off, just came off automatically. So let's put that at the side and let's use our spudger to go ahead and disconnect the cables as I'm going to show you. We have disconnected the display. Now we get rid of this old awful display and put the brand new back in. Well, not brand new, but technically brand new. Let's just do the video. Okay, so first of all, let's connect the cables. Okay guys, so I'm back and as you can see, I connected all the cables. Now I'm gonna go ahead and connect the battery. And this is the truth. Let's go ahead and pop the screen in. So yeah. Okay, let's turn it back on. I think I'm gonna try to charge it. Actually, let's charge it with the iPad charger this time because I saw it had like 5%, so we'll see. And also one more thing, I found the original Touch ID button, so if you didn't know, you can't replace these buttons because they are paired to the phone, which means if you change it, you won't have Touch ID. But I did have the original button, so I went ahead and installed it on this screen. And let's see if I know the password. Let me try to enter the password. Not that one. I'm just trying to put old passwords in. Oh, that one worked. So you can see that messages. Oh, this iPhone, I was using it just for like an iPod. Technically, you can see if I go here, I have like some piano music, like just relaxing music really. So yeah, that's pretty much this video. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and assemble it all back together. Just stirred my finger and look. You can see right there, it has that. And because I found the original home button, it should work. Ta-da! That's kind of great, isn't it? So yeah. So, as you can see, it's fully working. I'm gonna go to settings, camera. They're all working. What I want to say is, don't just throw the iPhone 6 because they're very slow and maybe you think they're just not usable because they don't get iOS 13, they're stuck in iOS 12. Actually, Minecraft still works. Most apps still work on the iPhone, which is actually great. So if you have an iPhone 6, go ahead and adjust it because it's cracked. The displays are actually pretty easy and pretty cheap to replace. And the only drawback I can think of is it has the bend gate problem. In my case, I never experienced it. My sister did on her iPhone 6, but I've never experienced it. Just take care of your phone and you'll be fine. So that's pretty much it for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and show you iFixit, and then that's pretty much the video. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's go to iFixit. That's why I'm making this screen recording. So let's go here. Let's go to Google. You can use whatever browser you want, obviously. And you iFixit right there. You go here. And sorry for my slow internet speeds. By the way, just making sure you know, this is totally not sponsored. I'm just saying, I know it looks like it is, but it's not. Right now they even have 10 to 50% off, well, dollars off actually. So first of all, you want to go into fix your stuff, right to repair, or parts and tools, depending on what you want. I'm going to show you how to find what guide you need to fix your phone or iPad. They have manuals for even PCs, game console, even cars, cameras, phone, tablets, and Macs. So let's go into phone. So in my case, we did the iPhone 6. Here it is. By the way, I don't know if you can hear the fan. Let me just lower the fan just because it's not, that wouldn't be very good for the computer, but just because of the video. Okay, you should be able to hear me a lot better. As you can see iPhone 6 screen replacement and the battery replacement. So in my case, I actually used 2 of the guides. I don't know if that's why they're at the top, but you have many other guides at the top, at the bottom. You can go ahead and see here. They have very good guides, very detailed. They have warnings, so you don't do any mistakes. You can see how difficult what you're about to do is. You can see how many steps it's gonna be and the time you're gonna take to do this. You can see in this case, for the screen replacement, it says from 20 minutes to 1 hour. You can see right here they even have videos which I won't play because of copyright. You can see right there they have very detailed pictures and description on how to do the things, on how to disassemble your iPhone. So that's pretty much it here. If you wanna buy parts for your iPhone, you can see right there you have the iPhone 6 screen, battery replacement. This is the one I bought. You can buy this one, whichever one you need. They have loads of them, and they pretty much have guides for pretty much every Apple product you want to fix. So you can choose the color. You can choose if you want to use the parts only, like me, because I already have the kit. And you can buy this that includes all that in case you don't have any of the kit. So yeah, and the price would be pretty expensive, but it's because you really have some very good quality. You have lifetime warranty, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video now. As you can see, they even have for computer parts, MacBook parts, and you might think they are kind of expensive, but what I think is they're expensive. One of the reasons is the quality. They're almost like original Apple parts, and also, as you can see here, which I just stumbled into, you can see right there you have lifetime warranty, quality parts and tools. You have lifetime warranty, so that's also very good. Even for iPod, they have even for iPod. Wow. So that's pretty much it for this video. Let me just quit Safari. And don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video, and click the little bell icon so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. I'm very sorry for the late videos I've been posting. I didn't post for 1 week because I've been too busy with schoolwork, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to post a video next week, just a heads up. I will try my best, so yeah, don't worry. But my new schedule is not anymore Friday. It's actually now Saturday or Sunday, because that way I have more time to make the video and edit the video. And please leave a comment down below why you didn't like the video. If you didn't like it, obviously you should dislike it. You have the right. And just tell me why you did not like the video so I can improve and have better content next time for you to watch. So, and also, just even if you did like the video, do go ahead and comment down below why you liked it and what you would like me to get to make the video even better.